What makes University College Birmingham students stand out in today's competitive job market? At University College Birmingham, students don't just learn in classrooms. They develop the practical skills, confidence, and professional mindset that employers value. Through hands-on learning, industry engagement, internships, and real-world projects, UCB students gain valuable experience that prepares them for successful careers across a wide range of industries. Our facilities mirror the professional world, ensuring you are ready from day one. Studying alongside students from around the world helps develop global perspectives and communication skills, leadership qualities, and the confidence to succeed in international workplaces. University College Birmingham graduates leave with more than qualifications. They leave with the experience, skills, and confidence to make an impact from day one. Start your journey today.
IAEC Consultants. Private Limited, guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.